Hi, I'm Judy Zakin, and I'm proposing to redesign and convert a traditional 14-week in-person Principles of Management course to a shortened 7-week distance education class at Springfield Technical Community College. My dad was actually one of Springfield's local community leaders involved in the creation of the school way back in 1967. The founding principle of the school was to provide post high school vocational training that would put young adults to work in the community. While that brand positioning is still very much at STCC's core, it has expanded to also include a broader mission of providing affordable education to students pursuing a 4-year bachelor's degree. So, why do we want to do this? Well, first of all, the need to move from in person to remote is perhaps obvious. Yet I believe the pandemic has only accelerated a shift already in motion in higher education, driven by exorbitant costs and the rapid development of remote learning technology. Secondly, the Principles of Management course is among the most popular courses at STCC, with 5 to 6 sections running each semester. The course is a requirement for several popular degree programs. Flex term courses condensed into a shorter elapsed time, have become popular with students who believe that they can be more successful when focusing on fewer courses simultaneously. The student population at STCC is diverse. Officially declared a Hispanic serving institution, 30% of STC students are Hispanic. They are also young. 3 out of 4 students are between the ages of 18 and 29 years old. And the school also leans female. And while initially I thought that might be just because of the heavy enrollment in healthcare services and not apply as much to the business school, when I checked out that hypothesis, I was wrong. Even the business schools students are primarily female, with 3 in 5 students being female. Finally, because it is a commuter-based community college with no resident students, many students are going to school part-time. Most of those are working too, and many have families. Let me share 2 typical student personas. Meet Maria. She typifies many STC students. Maria graduated from Springfield Central High School in 2020 and is looking for a secure job in a medical office. Just 19 years old, born in Puerto Rico, Maria's family moved to Springfield when she was just 7 years old. She lives locally with her parents and younger siblings. She would prefer to attend classes in person, but has been forced online, which has her a little nervous. Her household is crowded. She has trouble finding uninterrupted time and space for studying. Management 101 is a requirement for her degree. She wants the course credit, but she has no particular personal passion for the subject of management. Another typical student is a guy like Kevin. Now, Kevin has recently returned to school after making only a passing attempt after high school almost 20 years ago now. He's highly motivated. He's decided what he wants. Having worked in landscaping and property maintenance for several years now, he would like to move into management to earn more money. Kevin is enrolled in the Mass Business Transfer Program, so upon completion of STC's associate degree, Kevin is assured enrollment in one of many state and private universities across the state. Kevin is 36 years old, the father to 2 teenagers. He's highly focused on his goal, busy, does not want his time wasted, and every assignment must have a purpose. He's also pretty competitive. Kevin wants an A. So what are the learning objectives? Well, the learning objectives for Principles of Management course are negotiated with the colleges and universities that participate in the business transfer program. I cannot modify them. I do, however, have great latitude over what I emphasize and how I present the data. Here's how I organize the flow. To go from overview, big picture, strategic topics, then move into more tactical and operational, and then finally end the class with personal professional skills that are important for any successful manager. Format and context. Well, the course is run on the school's Blackboard learning management software. And for consistency across the school has a standard Blackboard template, so students get familiar with navigating the site with standard naming conventions. I've also committed to using open education resources. A common motive for attending STC is financial. So these students will often appreciate saving the cost of a test book. In summary, transforming Management 101 at Springfield Technical Community College to a distance format while cutting the length of the course in half has resulted in a much streamlined learning experience. Thank you all very much.